A couple of little things to share for you that are in my bag. This is just a standard power brick. It's a USB-A power brick. This I found on Amazon years ago. You can see it also has a USB connector. You put these two things together and this puts out quite a little bright light. So it's small, it travels really great with me. I can use it anywhere that I can plug something in, and it helps to illuminate the room just a little bit. So if you're in when you're traveling, you're going to be in unfamiliar surroundings, and when you wake up, you may be a little disoriented. So having a little bit of light will help settle you, so you can see a little bit better. It gives you direction if you want to put it in the bathroom and leave the door just slightly ajar. That way you know, oh, that's the way to the bathroom. But I have found this little nightlight super, super helpful, and that's why it has a place in my bag. Something else I like to keep in my bag is a journal and a pen. My sister gave me this pen years ago, and I love it. It has centimeters and inches on it, so if you need to measure something quickly, it has a great writing pen on it, and it has a stylus on the other end. So if you're using your tablet and you're doing some drawing, or you just like to use a stylus instead of typing with your hand, it has both of those, and it has a clip. So I can clip it to my bag. I can clip the pen to my notebook. But this handy little, you can tell I've had it around quite a bit. But there are just different things that come up when you're traveling and you're like, oh man, I wish I had written that down. What was the name of that restaurant? Who was that young lady that was so helpful? Because now I'm home, I want to write a good review for her, but I don't remember her name. So those are just the things I put down here. I have a section, or I've given a page to each trip I've taken, and I just put little notes about that. Things I've packed, where I want to stay. What did I like about the neighborhood? Would I come back here? What are some things maybe I forgot to pack that I want to pack next time? So a little notebook and a pen is very handy. You can also take out a page in the back if you need to leave a note for someone, or you want to leave someone your address, but you don't have your phone with you. But a paper and pen is always nice to have in my bag.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.